In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Garmin Marine mount. This is made for devices that have the Garmin backbone. Some of you may know it as the Garmin spine. So the Oregon series, the GPS Map 62 series, the eTrex 10 2030, just to name a few. The part number of this part is 010-11031-00, and you're going to find this on the accessory page of compatible units on GPSCity's websites. Let's take a look at what comes inside the box and I'll explain how it works. Here's the mount. So to get started, it has this knob here. This knob is so you can control the tilt. So loosen it up and you could tilt your unit. And then tighten it back up. It's got a ratchet, so once it's tight, it's not going to move out of that position. So we'll loosen that back up. The next part is the mounting plate. So the mounting plate, to get it off, we're going to unscrew this knob right here. And the top part of the mount comes off. This plate can be screwed down to your dash of your boat or maybe your golf cart if you're using this with the Garmin Approach G5 or G3. Once it's in place, it does have a ratcheting system. You could put it back together and then tighten it up, and it's not going to rotate unless you loosen this knob again. At the back, it also has this lever. This lever here controls this little knob right there that holds onto your GPS unit. So to get your unit out, you're going to have to push this in, and then your unit's going to slide out. So let's put a unit in it. So we're going to tighten this up into this position here. We're going to take the unit and we're going to simply slide it in. Put the bottom in first, keep sliding, and it's going to click. Doesn't make a very loud click, but you can see the lever in the back kind of move out and then move in. And you'll notice it does not come out. It's in there really, really good. So to get it out, like we said, you got to push this lever here in and then lift it up. It's a little hard without this not being mounted, but when you have it mounted, it's going to be much easier. There we go. So that was a look at the Garmin Marine mount made for the Garmin devices with the mounting spine. And to tell which units have the spine, it's kind of this part here. It's got some channels right there that are going to mate with the channels on this mount. So on the eTrex series, it kind of sticks out a bit more, easier to see. And you have the same on the Dakota series and other units. So to find this part, again, just check the accessory pages of compatible units and you'll find it there. If you don't find it there, just ask one of our representatives and they'll let you know if it's compatible or not.